Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce bounce rates with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce bounce rates on your Wix website, follow these detailed steps. First, log in to your Wix dashboard. Navigate to the Site section from the left menu. Select Site Settings. Click on SEO in the Settings options. Ensure your website is indexed by search engines. Optimize your site's title tags and meta descriptions. Next, focus on your website's loading speed. Go to the Site menu and choose Site Performance. Use the optimization suggestions provided. Minimize the use of large images and videos. Consider using compressed files to improve loading times. Now, evaluate your website's design and layout. Make sure your navigation is intuitive and easy to use. Add clear calls to action on every page. This helps guide visitors towards desired actions. Create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Use headers and bullet points to break up large blocks of text. Incorporate relevant images and videos to enhance the content. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Navigate to the Preview option to test mobile appearance. Make adjustments as necessary for a seamless experience. Utilize Wix's built-in analytics tools. Review the behavior flow of your visitors. Identify which pages have the highest bounce rates. Use this data to optimize those specific pages. Establish internal links to related content throughout your site. This encourages visitors to explore more than one page. Consider adding a blog or a resource section to keep content fresh. Regularly update your content to keep visitors returning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.